Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Photoshop. So let's get us started. Start by browsing a font website like Google Fonts or other trusted sources. Once you have found a font you like, download it to your computer. Fonts are typically downloaded in a zip file format. Extract the font files from the zip folder. To install the fonts, double-click the font file. Click Install to add the font to your system. After installing the fonts, open Photoshop or restart the application if it's already running. This refreshes the font list and incorporates the newly added fonts into Photoshop. To access the new fonts, activate the Text tool in Photoshop and navigate to the Font drop-down menu. Scroll down to locate and select your newly installed font. You can now use it for text layers and creative design. And there you have it. You have successfully added new fonts to Photoshop. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.